Hey, good morning. The sun is just at that point where it's going to make for a terrible video. Well, let's see how this turns out. So since you've been away, as you can see, I'm back on my 848. It took me a little bit of time to get over the hurdles of bad gasoline. And since my last video on the Foothills Parkway, I have a new SENA 10C Evo version 2 camera. It replaced my version 1. The camera button finally just gave up. I had that camera for about 4 years. Who knows how many videos I did with it. But I absolutely wore out that little push button for the camera. Ooh, this road's got some rocks on it. Okay. Expect this road to be dirty today. We haven't had rain since Friday. But this road doesn't get traveled, so it's never going to get clean. If y'all that vacation up here more, come racing up and down this road, you'd be able to move some of this debris off, but you don't do it. But when I tell you that I'm happy to be back on this 848, I was hoping to get the 848 to 100,000 miles this year. It's not looking good. It was just over a month of downtime. But she is running better than she has in a long, long time. I was able to score an airbox from a 1098S, and it came with the stepper valve and the throttle position sensor. Of course, it had the injectors, and it did have the throttle body and the throttle cables, which worked out good because my throttle cables were a little worn after 72,000 miles. They were a little bit worn out. There was a lot of slop in my handlebar when I would move the throttle forward and back. There was a lot of play, and it was at that point where I couldn't adjust it out anymore. So those throttle cables were a little bit tired. I drained the tank. I put in a new fuel filter. I poured in an overabundance of Marvel's Mystery Oil. If you don't know what Marvel's Mystery Oil is, you need to give it a try. That stuff was made back in like the 20s or 30s to add viscosity to oil. Oil didn't have viscosity back then. And they used it in airplanes to get airplanes overseas for the war. And I use it in my cars and motorcycles when they start spitting and sputtering, when you tell it's going to have some kind of fuel issue. I just pour a little bit in the gas tank and it lubricates the fuel injectors a little bit. You can tell the difference. After about 100 miles of running Marvel's Mystery Oil, you can tell the difference. I know, and no, I don't want to use seafoam. But here we are back at 64. I'm gonna take a left, hit that thumbs up button. I need that like. Talk to you later.